What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torin, and today I'm joined with my Crypto Keener moderator, Dylan.
Happy to see you guys again.
And today we're going to go over a brief overview of some of our elongate trades. Now, both of us have done Unreal on them. I've brought up a very minimal trade journal here on the recent coin. And as you guys can see, I did just under $4,000 in approximately 5 days with this elongate trade. So we're going to go over it here in a second. And as I bring the chart up here, I wanted to show you that after my last elongate video, doing some brief technical analysis here, I said if it was to break this trend line, it would be a perfect time to enter. This is when I did enter, and that's what the price pull that I pulled up here. And I exited yesterday at about this point here. So I was able to pull a decent bag, but some of my Discord members have done even better than myself. Now, I only put $200 in to make that kind of profit, but we've seen some of our Discord members 20x a few $1,000s, which has been absolutely crazy. So make sure to check out my Discord link. There's a limited amount of spots available. We basically have been talking about Elongate over the last week, buying the dips, and seeing a lot of profit. So the last time we talked was buying this dip, and this dip yesterday, and we've still seen a bunch of profit to take. So with that being said, we're going to dive a little bit more into Elongate today, what's happened with the price, any bit of news, the Discord channel, as well as their Twitter account. Short disclaimer, Dylan and I are not financial advisors. This is only our opinions and can be taken as entertainment purposes only. So if you guys are just hearing about Elongate for the first time, they basically started out as a meme token, one of Elon's tweets. A bunch of developers got crafty and decided to make a currency out of it. They decided to create a frictionless yield and liquidity generation token with 10% fee. So half of it will be redistributed and half is auto locked in Pancake LP. So with that, there's some of their roadmap here that you guys can go over, but I do have other videos talking more about Elongate, their purpose, and more about their tokenomics. So make sure to check that out. With that being said, I do want to just dive into their news here because recently it was part of my other video, but they have donated 75 grand. So this is a token with a cause. I do believe that they have great intentions, and at least it's good to hold because they're giving back to the community. I also mentioned in my last video that they recently got on CoinMarketCap. So we can see here in the last 24 hours, we've gotten 89% increase with a trading volume of almost 12 million. Now, obviously there's not a lot on this chart here because it is so new, almost only a day old. But pulling up their Twitter account here, we can see that they just crossed 10,000 followers. And some of the big announcements, they just recently had an Ask Me Anything event where the CEO, where the main developer actually shaved his beard on the Twitch channel because they just crossed $100 million market cap. So this was pretty crazy. There was also a Satoshi Street Bets vote with almost 25,000 votes being distributed, with half of them going to Elongate. So both of us are very bullish on the token, and we've taken great profits. Now, Dylan here is still holding his bag, and I myself, as I can pull up my smart chain wallet here so you guys can see, I still have some Elongate that I'm letting ride, but I do have some BNB that is sitting here. And just to show you guys, I'm not going to show all the hash transactions, but I was able to make that nice profit inside, sending it back to my Binance account after making that trade there. With that being said, jumping to their Reddit page, we can see that 14 minutes ago, they just passed 60,000 holders and 150 million all-time high market cap. So this is crazy. 12 hours ago, they had another Reddit post which said they just crossed 50,000 and their 100 million market cap. So it's a crazy growth that they're seeing over the last 24 hours. There's been a ton of profit involved, and we basically wanted to show you guys that following what we had predicted a couple weeks ago, we could have secured awesome little bag. If you check out their Reddit page, you can see the video of the dev here actually shaving his beard because they hit the $100 million market cap. There you go. You can see that he started to completely shave his beard.
Pretty good.
If you guys have not purchased Elongate and you want to know how, or you do want to know how to sell it, it's as simple as hooking up your MetaMask wallet. Now you can transfer Smart Chain basically from your Binance account or your Trust wallet. You send it into the Binance Smart Chain account here. Into this account, you'll send your BNB, and that's how you will fund this MetaMask. Once you're there, it's as easy as going to the Elongate website and clicking the buy button, which should be on the main page here. Yeah, buy on PancakeSwap. It should import the token. You click I understand, confirm, and you're able to swap your BNB for as much Elongate as you want. Now it's just the opposite to sell it, so you'll just click this button here and click how much you would like to sell. So I do have a small amount still riding. Of course, it's even more profit, but we'll see if there's a dip. I may or may not buy into it more, but make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get my updates on this trade. Now, if you guys like this little trade journal, I know it's very, very important. And so if you did, make sure you comment down below if you guys want to see how to build a full out trade journal and how to keep track of all of this, and make sure you guys entry and exit points are clearly located. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little update on our Elongate trade. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, make sure to check out our Discord chat because a lot of our members made a great bag, and you guys can as well. Until next time, guys, take care.